What are you guys waiting for? Hello, kiddos! Hello and welcome to the Dhamakedar Paradedar and Mazda session by Vedantu Young Wonders. I'm Pritesh Joshi, your host, your host, and a proud master teacher like this from Vedantu. Welcoming all of you to this Dhamakedar session that we are doing today. That is electric current and its effects. A very beautiful chapter from your grade 7 NCRT textbook. Amazingly awesome. Welcome to the class, guys. Hello. Hi, Pratishta. What have you written? I could not read it, but whatever you have written, it's good. Hello. Hi, all of you. Good evening. Yes, welcome to the धमाकेदार फायदार session. बहुत दिनों बाद, after many days, I am wearing my specs because what happened was that इसका screw निकल गया था. तो I went to the shop, I got it fixed and थोड़ा सा टाइट भी करवा दिया इसको, and now I'm wearing it and I'm feeling so clear. You know, ये दुनिया जो पित्तल की है, सोने की है, वो मुझे एकदम clearly दिखाई दे रही है. Yes. Hello guys, hope you guys are doing great. Hi Anurag, hello. So thank you so much 3 Kids channel. Thank you. I met you today in the space series, guys. I'm very disappointed. क्यों आप लोग आए नहीं space series में? आज 1 p.m. there was a space series session. Half of the class was absent. Why? Because the sky is high. Where were you guys? Today at 1 p.m. I did the space session on asteroids and meteors. It was super amazing. So much of knowledge, so much of discussions we did in the class. If you haven't watched that video, please check out that video. It happened today at 1 p.m. Asteroids and meteors. Right? Now those who are saying, sir, मेरा school था, मेरा ये था, मेरा वो था. It's fine. नहीं देखा तो कोई बात नहीं. अब देख लेना. Right? And with that, guys, let us continue the class. And you know that you have to connect with us on Telegram. You know you have to subscribe to the channel. मतलब अब तो आप ही ने बोल देना चाहिए, sir, subscribe करना है channel को. ठीक है? So right here on the right bottom corner, actually this is left, तो left bottom corner, हाँ ये left bottom corner, you can see the logo of the channel. Click on that, हाँ that logo, हाँ same, correct, you are right. This logo you have to click and you have to click on subscribe. It is absolutely free of cost. ठीक है? Even Oreo is telling that guys subscribe to the channel. It's completely free of cost. And guys, do spread the word. Give this video a big fat thumbs up and put some comments. Yeah, matlab, you know, it's the best thing that I do in the day, that is reading your comments and reading your messages on Instagram. So many messages I get on Instagram every day, like almost on an average 15 to 20 messages, and it's so good to read all of that. It's so good to see the love that you guys shower on me. Thank you so much, I'm highly obliged. बहुत 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 शुक्रिया. उसी तरह चैनल को भी सब्सक्राइब कर दो. इस वीडियो के लेफ्ट बॉटम कॉर्नर पे यहाँ पर, हाँ, you can see the logo of the channel over here. Click on that logo and click on subscribe. It's free, right? And with that, if now very important thing guys, कि ये जो YouTube का प्लेटफॉर्म है, this particular platform of YouTube, this is completely free of cost. It's a social media platform where you get to learn, but यार हम चैप्टर के डिटेल्स में नहीं जाते, हम ऊपर ऊपर से सब कुछ सीखते हैं. आई कैन नॉट आस्क यू क्विज क्वेश्चंस वन ऑन वन. आई कैन नॉट एक्सप्लेन यू. You cannot talk to me. I can talk to you, but you cannot talk to me. But if you feel that जो भी सर लिखते हैं, we want the copy of it. We want to watch the session again and again. We want to stop, watch. We want to talk to sir. We want not only science, but we want to learn English, math, social studies in a detailed manner. पूरा NCERT का detail. Plus, what if I tell you that इसके साथ साथ we'll also prepare you for competitive exams like NTSC, KVPY, IMO, etc. What if I tell you that you get access to 5,000 micro courses of Vedantu? And for all of that, you just have to make a payment of rupees 2149. Just a payment of rupees 2159. Sorry. So what you have to do is you have to go on the link that is given in the description. In the description of the video, there is a link given. Okay? When you go on that link, you will land on this page. On this page, you have to select your grade, you have to select your target exam, and click on get subscription. You are subscribing for 6 subjects. 6 subjects. I request if there are any students from the pro subscription, please tell in the chat how is your experience with the pro classes. Please tell it in the chat how is your experience with the pro classes. If you guys will tell, others will really feel that it is a good thing to do. See guys, I'm not telling you this to make money out of it. No. I want you guys to learn in detail. जब पढ़ना ही है तो अच्छे से पढ़ो. YouTube पे there is a limitation. I cannot teach you entire NCERT on YouTube. But in the pro classes you learn word by word. Right? So guys, once you click on get subscription, you have to put the coupon code over here, PRPRO, and this code will give you a flat 20% discount. A flat 20% discount you will get by using the code PRPRO. The actual cost of the course is rupees 4,000, but if you put the code PRPRO, you just have to pay rupees 2159. In rupees 2159, you're getting 4 subjects: science, math, English, SST. Plus, you're getting 5,000 plus micro courses free. You're getting competitive exams, special preparation free. All classes live. Doubt solving live. Tests, notes, study material, assignments. After every session, there will be an assignment. After every chapter, there will be a test. After every few chapters, there will be a unit test. You will be getting notes. You can watch the recording any number of times and a lot more. Trust me, this is going to be the best decision. Today is the 1st of December. Happy New Month to all of you. Today is also the International AIDS Day to spread awareness against the acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. And guys, take this course. आज ये ले लो, 31st December तक देखो what is the difference. If you like it, continue. If you don't like it, discontinue. एक महीने के लिए लेके तो देखो, क्योंकि पहले इस्तेमाल करें फिर विश्वास करें, right? See, we have got Supriya Kumari who says that Sir Pro is really very good. She has taken the Pro subscription and she says it's really very good. टॉक टू योर पेरेंट्स यार, ले लो एक महीने के लिए, लेके देखो कैसा है. नहीं अच्छा लगा तो मुझे गालियां दे देना, आई लिसन टू इट. ठीक है. एंड फॉलो मी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम. Yes, looks very stupid, but yes. Follow me on Instagram at Pritesh_Vedantu. That's my Insta handle. Follow me on Instagram and we can have a one-on-one chat. ठीक है? On Instagram, right? Now, what are we going to learn today? So today we'll be learning the symbols of electrical components, a battery, a simple electric circuit diagram, and heating effect of electric current. ठीक है? Yes, Ritu, Kalia, everything live. Everything live. Now, what are the symbols? Very important, guys. Very, very important. Let us do the symbols together. ठीक है? Now, what is the symbol of a cell? It is horizontal line, a big vertical line, a small vertical line, and then a horizontal line. You can also write plus over here and minus over here. The longer line denotes positive terminal of the cell and the shorter line denotes negative terminal of the cell. ठीक है? Symbol for electrical bulb. Bulb. One horizontal line, 1, 2, 3, and then a circle around it. Open circuit, that is off switch. This is off switch, open circuit. This is open circuit. When the current is not flowing, when the bulb will not glow. This is closed circuit. Right? This is battery. What is battery? Battery is 2 plus cells, 2 or more cells. So how you will show? 1 cell, 2 cell, 3 cell. You can show any number. You can show it this way or you can show it this way also. Okay? It has to be 2 or more cells. And wire. Wire is nothing but a horizontal line. These are the symbols. Menti Hoga, Mathapati, welcome to Vedanta Young Wonders. I think you're new. Hi Jay Kumar, hi Monica. Hello Ayushi. Yes, Oreo is here. Okay, Vedantu TV channel. No, Seema, we have been instructed to keep it more of Hindi than English. Okay? So this is the symbols of the electricity. Okay? Now, moving on. Then, battery. What is battery? Battery is a combination of 2 or more cells. In a battery, negative terminal is connected to the positive of the next cell and so on. Batteries are used in several devices such as toys, remote control and torches. See, this is a remote. This is the remote. In this also, what are you using? Can you see? We are using more than 2 cells. We are using more than 2 cells. Sorry, we are using 2 cells. 2 cells means it's a battery. 2 cells means it's a battery. 2 or more cells is a battery. What is the symbol for battery? The symbol for battery is one horizontal line, vertical, small, vertical, small, vertical, small, vertical, small, vertical, small, vertical, small. You can either stop here or you can stop here. Always remember, in a battery, negative is connected to positive, is connected to negative, is positive, negative, positive. You'll always connect negative with the positive of the next cell. Negative with the positive of the next cell. Okay, hi Gitanjali, hello. Now, what is a simple circuit, electric circuit diagram where you are showing wires, battery, switch and bulb? How will you draw it? How will you draw it? So, A complete circuit diagram will have a cell or a battery, okay? Then you will show a bulb, you will show a switch, and you will show arrows. Arrows will always go from positive to negative. Done. That's it. Right? ठीक है? ठीक है? चलो. Now, a representation of an electric circuit using symbols is called electric circuit diagram. The electric circuit diagram consists of a key that acts as a switch for the circuit. The key can be placed anywhere. Anywhere you can put the switch. Anywhere. Switch can be anywhere. Happiest birthday in advance, Vijendra. Happy birthday in advance. Hi, Bhavesh. Hello. Now, heating effect of electric current is when something gets heated because of electricity. Your electric iron, your oven, your stove, your geyser, your heater, all of them get heated because of electricity. When you switch on, something gets heated up, and that is heating effect of electric current. Okay? When electric current passes through a wire, the wire gets heated up, and this is called heating effect of electric current. Many appliances work on heating effect of electric current like heater, iron, stove, geyser, etc. etc. Hi Preksha. So what did we learn today? We learnt about the symbols, we learnt about battery, we learnt about electric circuit diagram, and we learnt about heating effect of electric current. Time to go for the Menti. So just go to www.menti.com and use the code 4912056. 4912056. Come on. Hi Utkarsh. 4912056 is the code for the Menti. Okay, Savita, for if you take a 1 month subscription, you get 2 classes per day. So that is 2 into 26, 52 classes. ठीक है? Parallel and series that we'll learn later, Akash. ठीक है? No. Asmar Crunch, you're not late. Chalo, quickly go to menti.com. Hi Yusuf Zai, Malala Yusuf Zai. Just go to www.menti.com and use the code 4912056. 4912056 is the code for the Menti. 4912056. Hi Anu, good to see you. Hi Suhasi. 4912056 is the code for the Menti. Come on. Quickly go to www.menti.com and use the code 4912056. फोर 4912056. चल. Hi Angraj Sharma. Huh, 4912056 is the code for the Menti, and guys, do not forget to take the pro subscription. The link is given in the chat. The link is given in the description. The link for which is given in the description. See guys, I'll show you. This is the description of the video. See, this is the description of the video, and here you have to go. This is the link. When you go on this link, you will land on this page. Here you have to select your grade and your target exam. Okay? Then you have to click on get subscription, and 1 month subscription cost is 2699. If you add the coupon code, PRPRO, if you add this code PRPRO and apply, you get a discount. Okay, for this I have to log in, so just a minute. Just a minute, I'll log in and I'll show you. Yeah, see, when I put the coupon code PRPRO, you get a flat discount of 20% and the cost becomes 2159.2. ठीक है, the cost of 2699 has come to 2159. See, 2699 has come down to 2159. So this is how you make the pro subscription, right? And what all are you getting in this? In this you are getting 6 subjects free learning, tests, analysis, assignments, notes, and unlimited interactive live classes. So you can think about it and you can buy it if you feel like. Oh, where did the Menti go? Menti हो गया शायद थोड़ा सा empty. Yes. ठीक है? चलो, good job. Hi Payal. ठीक है? चलो. So guys, let us make it 3:50 and then let us start. Oh, your birthday is on 5th on December. Yukti, that's nice. Chalo, let us start the Menti. Starting the first question. Guys, make sure you read all the options and make sure you subscribe. Oh, see guys, Aryaveer is also from Pro subscription. He says that my experience was best. Oh, thank you so much. Rupinder, my birthday is in August. Thank you, Matapati. Chalo. So guys, I am starting. Here is the first question. A combination of 2 or more cells is called dash. Yes, Telegram is free. Combination of 2 or more cells is called dash. Battery, button, electric cell or truck battery. What is a combination of 2 or more cells called? Hi Samriddhi. Umar mein sariyan jilaiyan oho. Ranga di kahaniyan chak chak ke aha. Meta ungaliyan chatan gaiyan oho. Very good. So, more than 340 students are correct about it that it is battery. A combination of 2 or more cells is called a battery. Thank you, gamer. Hi, Lakshmi. Today is your dad's birthday, Nazia. Wishing your father a very, very, very happy, healthy life and a very happy birthday. Vulmista, Amar, Shaurya, Mitrava, Gitanjali, E.T., Jaival Mehta, Rishit, Happy, and Rashi. Jaival Mehta, high five. Sure. Moving on. Move on, 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 move on to question. Move on to question. Here you are. Chalo. Question number 2. Current flow through the circuit when the circuit is in dash condition. When does the current flow? When circuit is open or closed? When does the current flow? Taranjot, you have to quickly go to www.menti.com and use the code 4912056. Very good, very good, very good, very good, very good. Ilhan, super nice. Surbi, thank you. Hi Adina, hello. Surbi, love you too, dearest. Thank you so much. Chalo, more than 200 students are correct. Guys, see, closed circuit means button is on. Closed circuit means button is on. Open circuit means button is off. So when will the current flow? When the button is on. Correct? Chalo, that takes me to the leaderboard. Devasmita, happiest birthday to you. Hi Jaival, Mitrava, Gitanjali, Rashi, Anaga, happy. Shivangi, Siri, I'm good. How are you? Susmit and Anirudh. Anirudh, you are the fastest. Jaival is leading the leaderboard with 1 point. There's a cutthroat competition happening, and Anirudh has answered this question the fastest. Amazing, that is great. And today we all are doing this Menti and getting very senti on electric current and its effects. And we have so many students in the class, more than 400 students playing the Menti, which brings me to the question number 3. And there we go. Ritvik, and we have Ritvik who is celebrating his birthday. So a very happy birthday to Ritvik. God bless you, Ritvik. On behalf of the entire family of Vedantu Young Wonders, I wish Ritvik a very happy birthday. Huh. बहुत ही बकवास कमेंट्री थी ये, but I gave it a try. चलो, question number 3. Hi Gaurang. Which one of the following is based on the heating effect of electric current? Geyser, dryer, immersion rod, or all of these? कैसे हो भाई लोग? हरीशान, तुम कैसे हो? बताओ क्या हालचाल? कैसा चल रहा है घर पे सब कुछ? Hi मैत्री. Hello सुरभि. हिम युक्ति. वाढदिवस आहे रौनक, वाढदिवसाच्या खूप खूप हार्दिक शुभेच्छा. Hi Iba. Hello. Hi Dharmendra. Hello Gaurav. Chalo. And we have got very good. More than 150 students correct. That all of these is the correct answer. Guys, geyser ho, hair dryer ho, immersion rod. What is immersion rod? Something that you have to be very careful with. Rohini, I'm not ignoring you. I don't ignore anyone. Hi Vansh. Immersion rod is that rod which you put in a bucket to heat the water. याद है ना मतलब होता है कुछ कुछ घरों में there is no geyser so there is an immersion rod you put that rod and you switch on the button so the rod will heat the water and you have to be very careful you should never ever touch the water which has got immersion rod in it can give you an electric shock be very careful with it first of all don't use it let the elders in the house take care of it so Jaival, Siri, Anirudh, Anagha, Happy, Susmeet, Angarag, Nikunj, DC, and Dhanvin, the monster mentee. Dhanvin is the fastest. Susmeet is leading the leaderboard with 5 points. Wow, that's nice. Yes, chalo. Which takes me to the next question. Question number fantastic 4. Yes, Poonam, you are right. Chalo. The coil of a wire contained in an electric heater is known as. What is the coil called? Coil is called component, element, circuit or spring. What will be the coil called? What will be the coil called? सर केवा ही है जो एक नई पहचान मिली थी वो क्या है कहाँ गया वो मैसेज कहाँ गया अरे आई लॉस्ट दैट मैसेज इट वाज रिटन इन देवनागरी नो यू कांट सी द मेंटी बिफोरहैंड no 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 mentee okay so 146 students are correct it is called the element it is called element radhe radhe ayush thank you mohammad mehboob basha very nice रात को खाओ घी दाल एंड राइस निकुंज अंगराग अक्षय गीतांजलि शिवांगी ईशान अमित रिप्लाई टू माय ईमेल रमा अवनी एंड अनन्या अमित आपने मेल भेजा है मुझे कहाँ है हमें तो ना ही मिला रुको हम दोबारा देखते हैं अमित 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 नो आई गॉट मेल फ्रॉम सानवी शिवांश नो अमित हमें ना ही मिला आपसे कौन मेल मेल दोबारा करो विनोद ऐसा ना कहो चलो So, Angrag, you are the fastest and you are leading the leaderboard with 9 points. That's amazing, which brings me to the fantastic 5. Hum 5 pa 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 5 hum 5 pa 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 5 chalo. So, fifth question on your screen. Dash is used in a torch. What do you use in a torch? What do you use in a torch? Generator, fuse, secondary cell or dry cell? What do you use in a torch? Dry cell मतलब अपना normal cell जो होता है वो हाय ईशान रिद्धिमा काहे रो रही हो कोड है 491205 congratulations to your mother who won the election that's nice I'm good supriya how are you dear hi ayush मी मस्त तुम्ही कसे आहात आयुष राव चलो very good 168 of you are correct it is a dry cell guys this normal cell ये जो normal cell होता है ना this one it is called as a dry cell ठीक है हैप्पी बर्थडे दिबास्मिता हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू महबूब ओरियो जनाब जो है वो अब सो रहे हैं और हम में हिम्मत नहीं है कि हम उन्हें उनकी नींद में से उठाएं तो अगर कल या कभी किसी और रोज अगर ओरियो जागा है और वो इस कमरे में हुआ तो हम जरूर उन्हें आपको दिखाएंगे ठीक है चलो सो वी हैव गॉट अंगराग अक्षय शिवांगी अमित Nikunj, Avni, Abul, Bashar, Harsh, Vanshveer and Anish. Amit, you're the fastest. Amit dear, I have not received your mail. Please send me the mail again and that's it. Thank you gamer Evan. चलो आगे बढ़े कदम से कदम बढ़ाए जा कंधों से मिलते हैं कंधे कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं एंड ये रहा क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 a device which prevents or allows the current to flow through it something that allows current to pass motor terminal conductor or switch Riddhi I am an Indian hi Anubhav it's okay Ghanshyam अपना टाइम आएगा डेरिक डेरिक अपना टाइम आएगा चलो चलो चलो, नमस्ते, कैसन बा, ठीक बा? हु इज दिस कैसन बा? कहाँ गया, कहाँ गया, कहाँ गया, कहाँ गया? अथर्व पाटिल, अथर्व पाटिल, ठीक है, चलो। So we have got 130 students correct. अच्छा, no 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 no, a device which prevents or अच्छा हाँ guys, prevents or allows. So switch ही होगा ना, switch या तो allow करेगा या नहीं allow करेगा, switch बंद हो तो current कैसे flow करेगा? So the answer has to be switch. Read it carefully, read the question carefully. So we have got Amit, Akshay, Angrag, Abul, Shivangi, Vanshveer, Anish, Ayush, Anirudh and Shantanu. Thank you so much Shantanu, God bless you dearest. But स्टूडेंट्स भी टीचर्स हैं, हमारे टीचर्स हैं, स्टूडेंट्स भी टीचर्स हैं, टीचर्स हैं। सुहानी, आपके बर्थडे में अभी और 14 दिन बचे हैं, हम आपको जी भर के विश करेंगे, बिल्कुल दुखी ना होइए। आयुष, यू आर द फास्टेस्ट। अंगराग, यू आर लीडिंग द लीडर बोर्ड विद 5 पॉइंट्स। कट थ्रोट कंपटीशन 7 पे क्या बात। आइए खेलते हैं लास्ट प्रश्न। गेमर, माय आईडी इज pritesh_joshi at vedantu.com. Electric current is measured by a device called dash. Pritesh.joshi, electric current is measured by a device called dash. What device? Voltmeter, ammeter, electroscope, or none of these? Which of these will help to measure electric current? हाँ, gamer pritesh.joshi at vedantu.com. नमस्कार, नमस्ते, हम नहीं समझते. No, it's not voltmeter. I gave the answer. Hi Parveen. Hi Rohini. Chalo. So 84 students are correct, guys. Voltmeter is used to measure potential difference. Ammeter is used to measure current because the unit of current is ampere, and from that word we got ammeter. So ammeter is used to measure current. Electroscope is used to detect current. ठीक है? It has a gold leaf in it. चलो, कौन है? अंगराग है, अमित है, तनिष्क है, जयवल है, ईशान है, कुटा आर्यन है, निकुंज है, सिमी है, बादशाह खान है एंड शिवांगी है। एंड वाओ, ये देखो बाजी तो कोई और ही मार गया। सो Tanish, you are the fastest. Congratulations, congratulations and celebrations, and you are giving us a party tomorrow, right? So Tanish, you are the fastest. હું એકદમ મજામાં સુહાસી, તમે કેમ છો? જમવાનું થઈ ગયું? ચાલો. So Tanish, congratulations guys, and we come back to the slides. So क्या बोलना है मुझे आप लोगों को? मुझे आप लोगों को बहुत सारी बातें बोलनी है। उनमें से महत्वपूर्ण बात यह है कि देखो, प्रो सब्सक्रिप्शन लोगे ना, फायदा आपका है। क्या फायदा है? कि आपको सारे सब्जेक्ट सीखने को मिलेंगे। आप मुझसे रोज मिल सकते हो, रोज हमारा लाइव क्लास होगा 1 घंटे का। आप मुझसे बात कर सकते हो, आई कैन सी यू, मैं आपको ऑन कैम करके आपको देख भी सकता हूं एंड खूब मजा होता है। मैं क्या करूंगा ना, नेक्स्ट यूट्यूब सेशन में आई पुट अ क्लिप ऑफ माय वेदांतु प्रो क्लास, तो उससे आपको बड़ा मजा आएगा देखने में, ठीक है? उसी के साथ साथ अगर डिस्काउंट चाहिए, बिकॉज हम इंडियंस हैं, हमें हर चीज में डिस्काउंट चाहिए होता है। मतलब अगर कोई चीज फ्री में मिल रही हो ना, तो उसमें भी हमें डिस्काउंट चाहिए होता है ना? क्योंकि डिस्काउंट लेना हमारा जन्म सिद्ध अधिकार है। तो पीआरओ कोड है जो आपको डिस्काउंट देगा। तो वो आपको कहाँ यूज करना है? आप जब उस लिंक पे जाओगे तो आपको ग्रेड टारगेट एग्जाम सिलेक्ट करोगे, गेट सब्सक्रिप्शन पे क्लिक करोगे और यहां डालोगे कोड पीआरओ, जो हमें देगा डिस्काउंट और रातों को चैन की नींद। कॉस्ट ऑफ ₹2699 विल स्लैश डाउन to ₹2159 after using the code PRPR। तो भाई मतलब मिल रहा है चांस, रोज मिलो, खेलो, हंसो, सिर्फ साइंस नहीं, इंग्लिश, मैथ, एसएसटी भी पढ़ो। तो ग्रैब इट with both your hands and start learning on Vedantu. Along with that guys, connect with us on Telegram और Instagram पे भी pritesh_vedantu में मुझे फॉलो करो और सब्सक्राइब कर दो। ये तो फ्री है, मतलब अब इसमें क्या दिक्कत है? सब्सक्राइब कर दो ना, फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट है। Subscribe to the channel, spread the word, let your friends, teachers, everyone learn from Vedantu Young Wonders, and do not forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. थोड़े कमेंट लिख दो, अच्छा अच्छे कमेंट्स लिखो, बुरे कमेंट्स लिखोगे तो मैं डिलीट कर दूंगा। तो अच्छे अच्छे कमेंट्स लिखो, अच्छी बातें बोलो भाई। साल का एंड है, वी आर इन द लास्ट लेग ऑफ द ईयर, दिसंबर 2020 का लास्ट मंथ चालू है। तो भाई फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल तो हम सबको एक शाबाशी कि हमने ये ईयर इतने ज्यादा, you know, we kept up our spirits during the entire year, so great job, yo, proud of you, right? And guys, what you have to do is, until we meet next, take care of yourself, stay healthy, stay happy, stay blessed। Do not forget to sanitize and smile because you have to spread the smile, not the virus. Looking forward to see more of you. See you tomorrow sharp at 9 p.m. live. Till then, subscribe. Take care. Bye bye.